Do you hate going to the grocery store and walking down the toothpaste aisle and seeing all those tubes of toothpaste and not knowing which one to choose? Good thing it's Hygiene Wednesday. Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. I want to thank you for joining us today for our Dental Hygiene Wednesdays. Every week we like to cover different topics or different products that we use or recommend to our patients and our viewers. That way they have an idea of what's the best way to keep their mouths nice and healthy and keep that bright white smile. Last week we covered the Diagnodent, which is a cavity detecting device we use here at Dublin Dental Care. We talked about how it's used and we demonstrated it on Stephanie, who's the other hygienist here. And we also talked about the benefits of using it for our patients. If you missed that video, feel free to check it out on our Facebook page. It's our Dublin Dental Care Facebook page. It's still up, you can still watch it. This week we are covering different types of toothpaste and what we recommend using and why. So as far as different toothpastes are concerned, I know there's a lot of different choices for you, especially when you go to the grocery store. There's a whole aisle. So we just kind of wanted to break it down into different types of toothpaste and why they're beneficial and why we recommend them. This is the children's toothpaste we hand out here at the office. It is recommended when you are getting a children's toothpaste to make sure that you have fluoride in that toothpaste to help protect those teeth and help keep them nice and strong. However, do keep in mind if your children are young enough to the point where they're not able to spit the toothpaste out and they're swallowing it, we do not recommend getting a toothpaste with fluoride because it can upset their stomachs and we don't want that to happen. So this box says 6 to 12. You can kind of gauge when your child's old enough to be able to spit the toothpaste out and not swallow it. So as soon as they are, I would recommend starting to use fluoride toothpaste. That way you get the benefits of the fluoride. As far as adults go, we hand out the Pronamel Sensodyne toothpaste here at our office just because there's a couple different benefits. It has the fluoride in it, which helps protect our teeth and keep cavities from forming because it's like a vitamin for our tooth. But it also has sodium nitrate, which helps with any sensitivity that you might be having from either your roots being exposed or having, your gums irritated. This helps just go in those areas and keep those areas nice and calm. They don't have that sensitivity anymore. That way you can eat and drink hopefully what you want. So this is definitely beneficial because it has the fluoride and it has that sodium nitrate that helps with the sensitivity. Now if you come in and the Sensodyne is not working with sensitivity, or maybe we see that you're having more cavities forming and it's a concern for us, we will recommend this prescription toothpaste called ClinPro. And the reason why I recommend this is it has a higher dose of the sodium fluoride, which is what protects your teeth and helps keep those cavities from forming. So you would take this home, you'd use it once a night. We recommend using it at night because you brush with it, you spit it out, and then you're not gonna rinse it out. So it'll sit on your teeth so your teeth can really absorb that fluoride and get the benefits of the fluoride from this toothpaste. So that covers sensitivity, keeping cavities hopefully from forming. A lot of people like to whiten, and a lot of people use whitening toothpaste. We don't recommend it in our office just because whitening toothpaste tend to be more abrasive on the tooth structure. It can wear down part of the enamel due to that abrasiveness. But we figured we'd show you a different type of toothpaste. This is a whitening toothpaste. It's the Crest Pro Health. So it has a fluoride toothpaste for anti-cavity, and then it has an anti-gingivitis with a whitening gel. So you have two different toothpaste that you'd use at the same time. There's step 1, which helps purify. It's gritty. It helps get your surfaces nice and clean. It'll have that whitening in it. And then you go back with step 2, which has a fluoride in it, and you brush with that and it helps get them nice and polished and smooth in the way you like them to be. So these are definitely different types of toothpaste. If you feel like you don't need the sensitivity toothpaste, we recommend you can use any type that you feel most comfortable with. We just recommend making sure that the fluoride is part of the ingredients That way you're making sure you're protecting your teeth as much as possible. Thank you for joining us this week for our Dental Hygiene Wednesday. We hope you got some sort of good information out of it that you can use at home. If you have any questions or comments for me, feel free to email me. My email is christina@dublindentalcareohio.com, and check out our Dublin Dental Care Ohio webpage. It is dublindentalcareohio.com. And then also feel free to like and comment on this video if you have any suggestions or any input or any positive thoughts. We would appreciate anything that you give us. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you. Hi guys, here at Dublin Dental Care. This quarter we are giving away a gas grill and accessories for our referral program. We want to thank you for all of your referrals. It is the best compliment you can give us for the work we do here. Don't forget, along with the entry into the drawing, you will get some sort of gift card for referring any friends or families you may have. So send your referrals on over, and hopefully you win that awesome grill package.